Here you go. It says cuckoo, you know, a variation of my name, Chuku. Stay rooted, right? So this is the white people trying to tell me how to think, making a variation of my name to make fun of me. You see, it's the license plate placard. Okay, you see that? This is what I go through all the time. Okay, how many of you think all these things are coincidences? I see these things every day, and they always have to do with my video. And it's police, martial artists. I have fucking hundreds of these videos. There's another one. That guy's a bumper sticker too. And the one that says those the color of Mexicans, probably unrelated, but this guy purposely, deliberately positioned himself in front of me. And it probably has something to do with Hawaii or something, but it's similar enough to fucking be a message to me. This one says, honoring the legacy midway. It is another way for them to say to me, the military, mental health, cuckoo, stay rooted, saying I'm crazy, trying to play me out as crazy, stay rooted to your white side. I have met people in my military, my family. It says midway, honoring the legacy. I was talking about how Igbo's, Biafra's midway. I was talking about how the commonalities between good and evil. Honoring the legacy has more than one meaning. It means the philosophy and the battle of midway. Now this is a yellow car. This is www.littleplaytime. These are all within about 10 seconds of each other, 750. Today's the day after Chike's Day. It's a yellow car. You're saying, look, let the Asian man pretend he's better, and you can have a little playtime.